So hey guys, I have something that I really want to show you. It's really simple, and it is a kitchen organizational system. So this is for my cabinets. Really trying to basically enhance the functionality of my cabinets. I basically keep a lot of stuff stored in there. I have cabinets that are pretty high, but I have bowls and dishes stacked on top of each other. It gets kind of heavy after a while once you actually wash all your dishes. They get pretty heavy. So I want to kind of create some separation from the spaces to kind of stack things better, so it's not as prone for breaking things and slipping out your hand, and because they're so like heavy and awkwardly kind of stacked. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna basically assemble this, put it in there, and then show it to you guys, and hopefully you like it. Thanks. All you need basically is one tool. It's a screwdriver. I'm gonna be using a screwdriver to screw in the pieces to assemble it. So I'm just gonna open it up really quickly. I'm gonna actually use a screwdriver as a little bit of an opener. Go ahead and take out the instructions for this one. And I'm gonna open these up, these screws. Okay, nice, they jumped out. All right, they just jumped right out at you. Okay, so I'm gonna basically do this to kind of insert it and get it started. So there's basically multiple holes on each side. So I'm gonna basically do, there's basically four, you basically match up, it's really simple. I don't really need to explain it to you, but it's very simple. You'll see the instructions. If you've ever shopped at IKEA, they have a pretty simplistic assembly guide. The assembly guide is basically, it's like infographics, you know, so you don't even really need to be able to read. I'm gonna leave that alone. All right, so let's do this. Okay, so basically just screwing them in, and make it a little bit more. No, I hope that microphone isn't. You know what? Actually, I think I know what I'm doing wrong. I think I'm actually not.